So the fire department's here because all the smoke detectors in the house are going off, and I'm waiting to see what happens. It's sort of fun.
Try to get Trish ready too.
Everyone's coming.
Those beeps are the smoke detectors.
And of course, nobody in our neighborhood.
Might want to put her back in the car.
My hero's at work. Okay. Oh, here comes another one. Oh, that's an ambulance. We don't need a flipping ambulance.
I didn't do the main. I just did the one that was labeled smokers. Okay, and then they went off. They didn't shut off. Okay, so we're good. I can fire the main off real quick. Well, let's just where are we at? The garage? You guys can come in.
They don't know I'm taping.
What?
Oh, okay. Strictly the door. Is that the main? Well, that's the main, but let's just see if we can find the. I'll fire off the whole thing.
Central 3217.
This was said smokes, so we tried that. I didn't do any of it. Oh, are they battery backups? Yeah, but even the one upstairs that had no battery in it's still going off.
This one here is changing audible based on power or no power.
Okay, do you have some of both? I don't think so. I think it's probably some of the batteries are dead, I would imagine.
And I saw one with no battery in it upstairs. So.
Yeah, that was what kind of threw me.
We'll see which one's still beeping.
We got multiple still going off.
So that's probably everyone with a good battery still.
Yeah, probably.
Here, should I go check in my room?
No, you stay with us.
Well, I think we're just going to start unhooking them one by one. Apparently you got one that's bad, and it's continuing to say there's something going on, and there's not. You have a step stool?
Yeah.
So we can just start going
I'll
down,
go grab it too.
unplugging them.
It's in here now.
Yeah.
Start here and work our way up like that.
Okay.
You just got home, you said?
Yeah, we've been gone for about 5 days.
Okay.
communicating with each other.
Yeah, that's how the hard wires are ones are supposed to do.
Is that what they do?
Yeah, that way if there's a fire down here and you're upstairs, you'd be able to
Okay, that makes sense.
sit here.
Well, it's good to know they work.
Yeah. Always a good thing.
So you're just pulling it until it goes quiet and then putting it back on?
Yeah, that's what we're going to try and see.
All right, I'll grab another stool and try to make my way around to
Well,
it.
we just got to make sure we don't pull multiple ones at a time.
Okay, all right.
Your stool's turned now. We guys cleaning?
Oh yeah,
We're using it. Okay,
but this was like a week ago. We just got home from being out
Oh,
of town.
okay.
So I'm not
I can reach
sure.
one. Okay, never mind then.
Yeah, yeah.
I got a taller step ladder. Right here. Go.
You want to move this chair?
Yep.
Okay.
I get it.
We just slide it to the wall. I think that'll be. You can probably leave that right there.
Okay.
Maybe just slide this a little bit.
Yours will go a taller one?
Sure.
Okay.
Since I'm a short guy.
Yeah,
Might be good.
that do me any good. Get Brad in here.
That's it.
Let's take this one up there. I can get the one on top of
Got
the
a clip.
stairs. So does this notify alarm company? Or is
No.
it good? No. They're going to be gone for a week.
Yep.
As long as they, we don't.
Anyway, we said.
Yeah. We had somebody call the firehouse last night with the same exact problem.
Really?
Yeah.
Central 3217.
This one.
No, well, none of them are showing that it's. That's the only one down here. There's none in the garage.
I'm going to check on hers.
3217, contact dispatch.
Is there an attic access?
3217, contact dispatch.
Is there an access to attic?
Yeah, upstairs.
So there's another one, right?
None down here. But is there one in the attic?
Probably one in each bedroom.
Yeah, there's definitely one in each bedroom.
There's one in my room with no battery. This is really creeping me out. To be continued.